Hi, I'm Brian, and my company is Be Seen Wear. We are direct-to-garment printers doing custom decorated apparel. We've been using the Epson F2000 shirt color for about 4 months now since its introduction in April, and been real happy with it. I highly recommend Equipment Zone. Very knowledgeable. They've been in this business for a long time. I don't think I've had to have them call me back. I always go right through to somebody and they're quick to answer my question. We went and visited Harry and Terry at Equipment Zone up at the Long Beach show. They introduced me to the Free Trader TX. The two of them are a great combination. They're just a matter of feet apart, and it allows us to do everything from light production to just a couple weeks ago I did almost 300 shirts. We specialize in small orders and small companies of short runs because there is no minimum with direct-to-garment. Most manufacturers use Epson-based print heads and devices in their printer, so we figured what better way to go with the best than with the company who makes the parts for most everybody else. I've been doing direct-to-garment now for a little bit of time. I worked for a company in San Diego using a color-only, not a white printer, and got my feet wet with that printer. I wanted to make sure this was the business that I wanted to do. I've been a graphic artist now for a long time, and this was just a natural avenue for me. We used to get asked all the time for dark shirts, and it would have to either just tell them no or suggest another application that they weren't interested in. So white is the new market for direct-to-garment, and the technology has been so great the last couple years that they've perfected it more and more. It's getting better all the time with the chemicals, with the inks, with the printer itself. As you see, we've got a small shop. We've got 400 square feet. Every square inch counts, so it was real important that if it takes up floor space, it's doing a job. It doesn't take up that big of a footprint compared to a lot. The Epson F2000 is a fast printer. It's faster than most others on the market. You can do a color shirt in about a minute, white ink shirt in 2-3 minutes, and that's substantially faster than a lot of other printers on the market. So you can get into a production mode of doing 20-30 shirts an hour. One of the problems with most white printers is maintenance. There's just a lot of upkeep and cleaning. The Epson pretty much takes care of itself. The controls on the Epson are user-friendly. It'll actually tell you when to replace different things. It's easy to do it ourselves. We don't have to call a tech in. And they're also very simple. And it'll walk you through step by step, which is really nice. I'm not even sure I've looked at the manual more than twice. If you're on the market for a printer, for a direct-to-garment printer, I seriously recommend that you spend some time and look at the Epson, look at the pros on the amount of time that it's going to be for maintenance, the ease of use, quality of the print. I think it's going to be a wise choice on your part to join the Epson family.